Lock Saga video 38, maybe? Who knows? No, I have not been able to pick this ace open yet, but I can't take it anymore. I've got to find out what's in here. I'm going to attempt to do my first ever transplant. I want to take this lock out, this core out, dissect it, see what's really in here, and then put it back together in a new lock. We'll see how that goes. Every other time I've taken apart a laminated steel lock, I've done it the hard way with a file. I'm gonna try something a little faster and hopefully more visually appealing to open this one. And here's the core. I filmed myself, well, I thought I filmed myself taking apart the laminated steel body, but I missed 90% of it, and the 10% I did record was in portrait instead of landscape and not compatible with the rest of the video. I can summarize pretty easily. It was just me struggling with a pair of needle nose pliers. I wish I had one with the thing on it. That's too big. It's just me struggling with a pair of needle nose pliers. Ooh. Man, did I mention this was gonna be my first complete gut? Yeah, and I think I've already screwed up. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, I think that was number 5. Oh, the spring fucked up. Nice. Come on. Another spring. Not a spool. Come on there. Oh no. Another spool. A standard. And another spool. Ooh. I do want to clarify that when I say this is my first transplant, I mean, if you watch my videos, you've seen me take a core out of a Master 5 and put it into another Master. I don't remember the model number. In this case, because this is coming out of a lock with a spring-loaded locking lug and has this little piece on the back, I can't reuse this core. So I'm gonna have to transplant the pins to a new core. And I have never assembled a lock. And I've never disassembled a lock on purpose, so wish me luck. Standard driver. Standard driver. I'm really disappointed. I thought there would be more security in this. It really feels like it. Well, maybe that's just what I'm telling myself because it kicked my butt. Nope, all standard drivers. Standard key pins, my bad. Key pins. Get over there. Ooh. Nothing too special about these springs. Yeah. Close up of what's inside here. 4 spools, 1 standard, nothing much. So this is the lock that I was planning to put these pins from that ace in, and it turns out this has a 6-pin core and only 4 are populated, but it's crimped, and in the process of trying to get it apart, I completely destroyed it. So for now, this is just the gutting video. And if you've watched all the way to the end, I thank you very much, and y'all have a lovely day.